Meaning of incompetent.
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 Incompetent. The term incompetent refers to a person who lacks the necessary skills, knowledge, or qualifications to perform a particular task effectively. Such an individual is unable to meet the demands of their job or responsibilities, leading to poor performance, errors, and inadequate results. They may also demonstrate a lack of confidence and struggle to make decisions or take appropriate actions in critical situations. Incompetence can have serious consequences, such as compromising safety, damaging reputations, and causing financial losses. Therefore, it is crucial to identify and address incompetence promptly through education, training, or coaching, or by reassigning the individual to a more suitable role.